Okay, it's getting supper time, so we're gonna make some chicken tacos today. Okay, I got the skillet hot, and I'm adding some bell peppers and onions to that. We're gonna cook these up until they're tender. Okay, we've got the bell peppers and onions now. They're sauteed, and we're gonna put in the spice mix. I prefer to make my own spice packets. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And we're going to put a 1/2 cup of water in here also. Okay, I've got 2 cups of shredded chicken that I'm going to add to this. It's already been cooked and cut up. Let me get this mixed up. Okay, this part's optional. I like to put about 1/4 cup of apple juice in it also and let it cook. You don't have to, but I just like to do it that way. Okay, the meat's done. We're going to put together a taco. So put some cheese on it. Lettuce and tomato. Okay, this is our chicken taco. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for stopping by. This is Back with